Hello, my good people here. How are you doing? Oh my God, welcome to my channel, yo. I love you all. Thank you for the love and support. If you're new here, you're so welcome. If you're returning, asante sana. So I'm just here appreciating the nature, appreciating the sun, appreciating the air. Have you ever woken up and you're in that moment? So anyways, I know I just wanted to take a walk and show you my new hair. I love my new hairstyle. I love my new hairstyle. So especially the behind bit of it. So just don't judge me. So anyway, in today's video, it's a mixture of activities. Yes. So I want to show you how this hair, first of all, was also made. It's part of the video. And then I also want to show you, actually to unbox my gift. Are you ready? So this beautiful bag, as you can see here, was gifted to me by one of my beautiful bestie, and I call her my bestie. It's from my beautiful friend, Fan. I don't know what else to say. Yo, America in the building. Yo, thank you so much. I want to mention her name. Hi guys. So I was talking about a beautiful gift that I received. This has been so amazing to me. So guys, let me show you. This is my classic bird. It's called Classic Only You, Just For You, and that is me. So let me show you what's beautiful about this bag. It has this pocket. That's one, okay? Then there's two, okay? And then inside this one, there is this small pocket, which has a zip. This one, okay? And then there's also this one. So those are how many so far? Those are four. Okay, two small ones. So this, and then the two small, and then this. So it has four amazing. Oh my God, it has four pockets. I mean, I'm super thankful to my beautiful friend. Thank you so much. So that is it. So this is how it looks like. You see this? And then this, you can remove it. You can choose to remove them, these handles. So you can use this one if you want to just put on, if you want it long, or you can just do this and just hold it. Watch it again. Oh guys, anyways, if you're new here, you're so welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to always watch and support your girl. So see you guys in the next video. I'm out. I love you guys. Remember to subscribe. You're on the road to 5K. And my God, share my videos. Oh my God, please do share them. It helps me to grow. It helps other people it helps the video to reach out to a bigger audience. Yeah, I appreciate you all. I love you. May the good Lord bless you all. Did you check out my makeup? Oh my God, I'm shining. So check out, I'm going to give you a video of this particular makeup, guys. You will enjoy it. I'm sure you'll go process by process. If you want to learn, you'll have to watch it till the end. Adios. So one of the things that some of you may not know, I am such a giver. I love gifting, and when I'm gifted, oh my God, I feel that greatness in me. I feel so happy. I feel appreciated. So that's why I'm all smiling because of this beautiful gift, yo. I don't know if I can explain the texture of this bag. It's kind of hard, smooth. So it has that feeling of leather in it, and then the handles are really hard. Anyway, guys, I'm sorry I'm talking so much about my beautiful bag, but I mean, who doesn't feel happy when you're gifted? Yo. Anyways, guys, so actually this year I've been able to get this is my second bag, my second handbag that I have received as a gift. The first handbag was from South Africa. I think I featured it in one of my videos. Yes, it was from South Africa. It was my birthday gift from one of my good friends. Yes, from one of them. Actually, she got a job in South Africa and I'm helping her with her son. Yes, she left her son in my hand. So yeah, basically she was just appreciating me in that way. It was my birthday, but she felt she should give me a handbag. Damn. Anyway, guys, I didn't show you how this hair was made. So this beautiful lady here, well, I linked up with her through my sister-in-law. She's so good, but she doesn't have her own salon. She works under someone else and she does all kinds of hairstyle. Please, if you're there and you would wish to support her, start her own salon, join hands with me and we surprise her. Anyways, I'm just showing you my new workout skills. Yes, I'll be losing more weight very, very soon. As you can see, I have to do this. Yeah, why not? So anyway, later on in the day, I had to go and do some nyama choma, yo. So basically, this is goat roasting. Yes, at school we used to do bull roasting. This is goat roasting. So I just wanted to show you what happened later on in the day, and I was like, why not take you around this beautiful place? I barely show you guys the beauty of Kampala suburbs. Yes, so enjoy this beautiful video till the end. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and we're on the road to 5k, yo. You can even just do it for me and do share my video and tell each and everyone in your family, in your school, in your tell them to subscribe to this beautiful queen. Tell them support this girl, she does amazing work. Why not push me there? Anyway, guys, I'm in my happy mood. I'm super excited. I don't know, maybe it's just because of the bag or it's because of my new hairstyle, but I'm in those vibes. I'm in those beautiful vibes. Anyway, guys, let me see you guys in another beautiful video. Thank you so much for watching. I sign out. Bye bye. Adios.